Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Wimelf Portable Silicone Keyboard Piano, an 88-key electronic keyboard designed with portability and beginners in mind. This instrument is made from quality, environmentally friendly materials, and one of its biggest selling points is how incredibly lightweight and portable it is. Weighing in at just 2,500 grams, and with its rollable design, you can literally take this piano with you anywhere you want to play or practice. The keyboard itself features 88 keys, designed to be a 1:1 scale representation of a real piano, which is a great feature for beginners getting used to the feel and spacing of standard keys. It's not just a basic keyboard though, it comes packed with features. You get a built-in selection of 128 different tones, 128 kinds of rhythm to play along with, and 20 demonstration songs that you can listen to or learn from. Connectivity is also a strong point here. It has a built-in speaker, so you can play out loud, but it also includes a multi-function interface. You can plug in a microphone, use the audio input function, connect it to a computer for MIDI capabilities, and it even supports playing MP3s. This range of options certainly opens up possibilities for creativity and practice. Plus, it comes with a sustain pedal, which is crucial for developing proper piano technique right from the start. The overall design, being rollable and made from durable yet flexible material, makes it super easy to store when you're not using it. The idea behind this electronic piano is to make the process of learning piano simpler and more interesting, especially for those just starting out. It's presented as a perfect instrument for piano beginners and a top choice for anyone pursuing their interest in playing the piano without needing a full-sized, stationary instrument. It seems like a really accessible way to get into playing music.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.